got magic in your walk. I feel magic.
Hey guys, and welcome back to She Lock channel. And today I am doing a few tutorials on some head wraps. Now everyone has been asking me, how do I wrap my hair, how do I style the wraps, and how do I attain those looks that I wear, especially when I'm at work. And I always tell them, it's not that easy. I can't just explain it. So here's a video going into detail how I achieve these looks. And once again, I'm outside because everyone is on quarantine right now, and I feel like maybe it'd be nice to have a video outside. It's refreshing, and I needed to get out the house. Don't we all, right? So outdoors. Anyway, let's get started, okay? These looks can also be great for maintaining freeform and or semi-freeform locks. You know, when the edges are rooting and you don't know what to do, a nice head wrap and a nice tight, neat, stylish head wrap is a lifesaver and a must go to for anyone with locks, without locks, or especially if you're semi-freeforming. Saved my life. Now the first wrap that I am going to do is the updo rasta like one that everyone always sees me in. That's the most commonly one that I wear, and that's the one I wear to work all the time. So you're gonna need elastic. You're gonna need a couple of elastics that I have here. A couple of elastics to help hold the locks in place while you wrap. So here it goes. The first thing I'm doing is putting my hair in an updo bun. It doesn't have to be neat, it doesn't have to be perfect. All you want is your hair to rise, because that's what's going to hold up the high top wrap that I'm attempting to do. So it doesn't have to be pretty neat, just get that hair up in a high bun, secure it, boom, high bun achieved. Next comes the wrapping, and these wraps I got them from Amazon. They were like $8.99. I forgot the name brand, but they're very big and they're stretchy, which is awesome. You don't want to get a tight wrap that you can't maneuver and stretch the way you want it to. So something definitely stretchy and long, big enough. All right, first thing I'm gonna do, throw it over, make sure it's balanced on both sides. I'm going to tuck, and what I'm doing is crossing over, switching sides the same way you would do if you're just crossing over. Make sure you tighten it up. Don't make it too tight because you will get a headache. So tighten it up some, bring it around town, and just bring it around town. Gonna end it right here. Make this come over piece to cover it, and find a nice slot to tuck this in right here. Even it out. Make sure everything's nice and neat, no tail end sticking out. And here we have the look. So for my next wrap attempt, I'm gonna call it the mid low bun, I guess, wrap. with a little lock hanging out if you want to be kind of cute. You know, sometimes I want to show off a lock or two when I have my hair, especially when I have it wrapped up day after day after day. You know, I want to get a little cute and show off a lock. So this is the mid bun, low wrap, I guess. Same thing as before. You want to put your hair in a bun. This time the bun will not be high. Put your hair in one, locks in one, scoop it up. If you have my length hair and thickness, it will take some time sometimes. And you want this mid back. And then you have to scoop this into a bun. Just like we did at the top. This one is significantly lower. Heading around the mid of the back. Securing it, and securing it. I mean, for someone like me, sometimes this is enough. Sometimes I just get up and go just like that. This is kind of cute though, you know? Hey! Okay, here we go. My purple, this is my favorite one. I wear the black all the time because my uniform is black and it matches my work uniform. But this is by far my favorite color. But black is my favorite color, but this is second. Okay? Alright. What you're gonna do is that whatever lock you want to have hanging out, if you want one, give it that cutesy effect. It can be front or in the back, however you prefer it. I'm gonna let this one sit in the front here. Boom. And the same as before, pull it over. Don't want to carry it up too much. Make sure you have a little room here. Make sure it's balanced on both ends. Make sure it's covering your bun in the back as well. Pull this to the front. Make sure this is out. Same crossover method as before. Okay, this one you're gonna open it up a little bit, carry it over the front of your head instead of the back. Bring it over to the front and stick it somewhere in the back. We're gonna get to this in a second, okay? And then you're gonna want to wrap this one kind of around the bun itself. Give it some, you know, fullness, some thickness. Tuck in those loose ends. And this one is gonna come across here, semi-ways. So you want that to connect to this piece in the back here. And as usual, tuck, tuck, snug, snug. Flatten it out a little bit. Okay, now I call this next wrap the low tail wrap, almost like a lobster wrap in a sense, but you'll get it once you see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright? Bring it all the way back, into the neatest slick back, lowest tail, ponytail ever. All the way back to the bottom. You need to you're gonna do is use the rest of the elastic to support the rest of the ponytail coming down. Doesn't need to be tight. This is what you're looking for here. Okay. Then you use the last elastic to tuck those locks at the end underneath. Don't worry about those strays, you'll get them when you wrap your hair. Use brown next. Nature. Stay over there, bug. Mr. Bug. Okay. Over the top. Even sides. Gonna make sure this one comes all the way down. Gonna tuck it underneath. Giant. Swing it over. Likewise the other side. Tuck it underneath. Swing it over. And then this one comes over the head, back underneath, and we want this one around the long ponytail itself. Wrapping. I'm so tired. We are wrapping the laces here. There's this extra piece to cover it, securing it. And then you're gonna tuck underneath. Secure everything that's loose, wild. Neaten it up however you like. This is by far one of those looks that keeps your hair totally safe. All of these keep your hair totally safe. But if you want it out of your way, not high up, you know, not sticking out, this is the minimalist way to wear these hair wraps. So you don't have to worry about any bun or bulk at the top of your head, the side of your head, at the bottom. Now the last wrap is a bit more complicated and will take longer to do. These wraps I've done in a matter of seconds, honestly, because I've been doing them so long, and the more you practice it, the more you do it, it'll become like nothing. You'll be able to just, in no time, wrap done. So just take your time, practice, and like I said, you'll be professional in no time. Now this one is I guess a halo wrap, if you want to call it that. Like, I'm making up these names for myself as I go, people, because I don't think there are official names for these wraps, because I would like to think I came up with a lot of them myself. I didn't really watch or read any professional how-to when it comes to wraps, so I just improvise with my own locks and what works for me. So hopefully these work for you too. Alright, let's do this. Let's start basically by balancing out your hair, and you're gonna do some big. If you want to do braids, you can do braids. If you want to do twists, you can do twists. It's all up to you, and however you like. I don't like braiding my locks at all, maybe because I have so much freeform hair, it's quite uncomfortable, so I prefer to do the twists. and you're just basically twisting this around to form one giant, it seems, halo. Just the last to tie off the end. And a pin to secure it, which I don't have, so I am going to be improvising without the pin. I can't believe I forgot my pin. I'm just going to tuck these in some of my roots, and hopefully that holds long enough to complete this video for you guys, but you're going to need a pin for this one. Okay, let's hope that does something. I'm going to use my favorite color once again. Mr. Purple. Mr. Purple. Over the top, balance on the ends. This is massive, I can see it already. Oh. Pin down tight, bring it around, wrap it crossing over at the back. Make sure your wrap doesn't get tangled or twisted. Try to keep it as even as possible. And then just bringing it around. So actually I should call this like a Cleopatra Nubian style type wrap, I think. It's turning out to be quite cute. I mean, I've worn it before, but I've never recorded myself doing the look. Tuck in those ends. Sure there's no flyaway wrap anywhere. Nice and tight. Poof out your halo bun, basically. There we have it, guys. Cleopatra style. And there you have it, guys. 4 simple, easy wraps you can do to help maintain your frizz semi-free form. If you just don't want to bother with your locks at all, or if you just want to keep your hair safe, secure, wrapped up, or if just feeling lazy, don't feel like dealing with your locks and or hair, this is the go-to styles for that. And I can guarantee you, for my semi-free formers out there, that let's say you put this on, any one of these wrap styles, and you head to work, I guarantee you that when you come from work, your hair will be laid. However you decide to fix it, it's going to sit like that for hours, especially if you tend to sleep. And you can sleep in these styles as well, which I think is pretty cool. You can sleep in these styles, keep your hair like this so that you know you have a big event tomorrow and you want your edges to be laid and you're semi-free forming. You're like, oh, my edge is going to be all over the place. Not anymore. Not anymore. Do any one of these wraps that's most comfortable for you and head to bed. You're gonna wake up slick, smooth. Alright, guys, thank you for tuning in. Stay safe out there. COVID-19 is still going around. Enjoy time outside in your yard, but remember social distancing. Alright, guys, hope you all well. I will see you on my next video update.
So please don't go too far. You got magic in your eyes.